Hello everyone, and welcome to January's Adult Take-Home Craft. Today, I'll show you how to set up your pocket coloring planner. For your supplies, you'll need the following items: the pocket coloring planner, and coloring supplies of your choice. This can mean crayons, colored pencils, or even markers, though some markers have a tendency to bleed through paper. Be careful if you choose the third option. The provided craft kit will contain the pocket planner as well as a set of 12 colored pencils. We're starting out 2021 with an easy and hopefully relaxing craft. This planner has dates through 2022, so even though we're starting midway through January, this calendar will last until the end of next year. The main thing I want to show you today is how to successfully get your calendar out of its plastic waterproof cover. Choose a side and carefully slip your finger between the cover and the plastic. Be gentle so the cover doesn't rip as you pull it out of its flap. It may give a little resistance, but it'll eventually come free. The second end of the calendar will come out easy. Then, flatten your calendar at the spine so you have an easier time coloring it. Depending on how quickly you can color in your calendar, the coloring process may take up to a couple of hours. I finished mine off camera. Once you've finished coloring, all that's left is to tuck your calendar back into its protective cover. Slip one end into one flap, and then slip the other end into the other. Your calendar may try to flip open since it's been lying flat for so long, so just make sure to crease it again to keep it closed. You can also enforce the crease by placing it underneath some books or other heavy objects for a bit. Thanks for watching. Make sure to pick up your craft while supplies last. They're in limited supply and first come first serve. Stay tuned for next month's Take It Home craft.